A very big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us these LED sensor lights. These are so versatile. These LED lights are absolutely perfect for cabinets, cupboards, wardrobes, anywhere you need a little bit of extra light. These come in either black or white, and they are fully rechargeable. They are magnetic, and the way that they work is in the pack here, you're going to get everything you need. You're going to get your cable, your lights themselves, your little instructions, but also these magnetic plates. And these magnetic plates can be adhered to any surface, so just remove the sticky and it can adhere. And once you've done that, the light can be attached anywhere you need it. So the underside of cabinets and cupboards, back of doors, anywhere you need. Or you can also attach it as it's magnetic to a metal surface, such as a fridge or maybe a metal cabinet. There are instructions in the pack for you, but the way that they work is press it once for it to be constantly on. Really great if maybe you're cooking and you want an overhead light while you're preparing food. Press it number 2 for that motion sensor to kick in, so perfect for your cupboards for occasional use. And press it number 3 to turn it off. And if you press and hold it and keep it held in, the brightness will change and you can stop wherever you want the brightness to be. It's as simple as that. These attach really easily, they're really useful. These sensors pick up from 3 to 5 meters away of motion, so really perfect if you're just about to walk into a room. And after 30 seconds of no motion, they do turn off. So you will conserve the battery. After 2 hours, you get a full charge, so they're quick and easy to get set up. And a full charge will last up to 6 hours of constant use. So it's a really great battery life. These lights are going to be one of those products where you didn't know what you were doing without them. They can go absolutely anywhere. So many different uses. And thanks again to the team for very kindly sending these out to us.